Hello guys, welcome back to new video. So let's discover how to the number 1 to 10,000 to adding using different techniques. Let's start. So let's start by adding number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 equal 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 6 21. 28. 28 plus 8 36. 36 plus 9 45. 45 plus 10 55. Now 10 timetable already for addition. So let's start. 10 plus 20 30. 30 plus 30 60. 100. 100 plus 50 150. 210. 280. 360. 450. Alright, our final answer is 550. Next we are make 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 addition. 1,000 plus 2,000 equals 3,000. 3,000 plus 3,000 6,000. 6,000 plus 4,000 10,000. 15,000. 15,000 plus 6,000 equal 21. 21 plus 7,000 28. 28 plus 8,000 36,000. 36 plus 9,000 45,000. 45,000 plus 10,000. Our final answer is become 55,000.
Please like and subscribe our channel.